Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Yazio, you will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we'll search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.